Why does my puppy pee so much? Here are 6 common reasons and what you can do. First, puppies have small bladders and need to urinate more frequently. Make sure to take them outside every couple of hours and after meals. Second, excitement or anxiety can cause puppies to pee more. Try to keep greetings and departures calm to reduce accidents. Third, drinking a lot of water can naturally lead to more frequent urination. Monitor their water intake to ensure they're not drinking excessively. Fourth, house training is still in progress. Be patient and consistent with training, rewarding your puppy when they pee outside. Fifth, certain medical issues like urinary tract infections or diabetes can cause frequent urination. If you're concerned, visit the vet to rule out any health problems. Sixth, some puppies might pee to mark their territory, especially in multi-pet households. If marking continues as they grow, consider speaking with your vet about ways to manage this behavior. By recognizing these reasons, you can better address your puppy's needs and help them develop good habits. Dog parenting is a game now. Try Wiglo app for free. Download on the Apple Store or Google Play.